Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my Sephora Spring VIB sale haul. That's a mouthful. I did an online order and then I went to the store and picked up a couple things, so I'm going to show you right now. There is, I believe, one more day left when this video is going up. So if you see anything you like, make sure you place that order. So I'm going to start kind of with the basics, the stuff I kind of mentioned I was going to get. I got a restock of my Kerastase Serum Extensioniste. This is just the scalp treatment that kind of helps with breakage and thickening and length and whatnot. And I just really like this. I've been using it. I'm almost done with the one I have. And I wanted to just get another one, 20% off. You can't beat that. So I got this. Then I got the Slip brand, the brand that makes the pillowcase that I use, made silk scrunchies, which are supposed to, you know, I guess help your hair and avoid like breakage in your hair. I usually use like the Invisibobbles or just like something really gentle. But when I saw this online, I was like, well, this is kind of interesting because they're like very, you know, stretchy and then again, very, you know, like silky. So I'm gonna try this. I like to, you know, after I blow out my hair, I kind of like to twist it up in like a bun, but like not a messy bun like I've done a video on, but like twirl my hair to kind of hold the curl. And I think this would be good for that. So I will give it a try and see how it works with my hair. I picked up one of the Sephora, the Hold It Together, the jaw clips. I figured I could use this either for blowing out my hair or when I do my makeup just to kind of clip it back. Normally, again, I have it up in that little bun thingy, but maybe just to do this, just maybe to section off my hair when I dry it because they are supposed to be pretty strong. They're very sturdy. So we'll give that a try. And the color is like beautiful. It's like this beautiful, like blushy pink. Like I love that blush color. So that kind of intrigued me. Then I picked up the Herbivore, the Cocoa Rose Coconut Oil Body Polish. I love this. I have been without this for a while because it's pricey and it, you know, I mean, a little goes a long way. And what I love about this is you can use it and you don't have to moisturize afterwards. So this is great. Like if you're doing a good self tan, you can really just kind of exfoliate your whole body, and the coconut oil in it hydrates. So then you can go right in with it. And it smells phenomenal, but it's a glass bottle. So I kind of hate having to have that in the shower, but I made the exception and I had to get it again. So I love that. Then I picked up another Way treatment mask. I said I was gonna get this. I love this mask. I just wish it came in like a huge size because this little thing I go through quickly. And unfortunately, you know, it's kind of expensive for what it is, $32, I think, for 3.4, whereas I'm used to like the big tubs, but Way, if you're listening, please make a really big super size of this because I love it. I was gonna get a restock of my shampoo, but they were sold out of it. Online was sold out, and my Sephora, both Sephoras near me were sold out of it. So I was like, oh my God, it's like not meant to be to get my shampoo, but I did get the Way conditioner. I got the smooth one. I have the repair one that I'm using and I really like it, but I was reading about their smoothing line and I think that it's really good for like frizzy hair, and it, you know, I don't really need that much, you know, repairage, that's a word, in my hair because it's really not damaged. But I really like more of the smoothing effect. So I got the conditioner to try. I really wanted to get the shampoo, but alas, it's out of stock. So as soon as it's in stock, I will purchase it. It's not that expensive. The shampoo's $28. So, I mean, with a discount, it's good, but I'm not crying over it. So I got those. And now I have like, oh wait, I have one more thing. This caught me in store. I wasn't planning on getting this. This is the Way Scalp and Body Scrub. Now, I don't know if I'm necessarily going to use this as a body scrub, but I'm fascinated by the scalp scrub. I have the one from IGK, and I cannot get the thing out of the bottle. Like, it's like a squeeze tube, and I struggle. I don't know if mine's defective or if the product just doesn't want to come out, but it's like a scrub for your scalp, which I really like to kind of like exfoliate your scalp. So when I saw this by Way, I had to pick it up because I was like, that's just too good to be true. It's like in a tub where I can just kind of like scoop it out. And I can't wait to try this because it says it has, you know, sugar, coconut oil, probiotics, etc. And I don't know, maybe I'll try it on my body. I'm really sensitive though, so I don't know. But I really want to scrub my scalp. So I'll let you guys know how that works. Okay, now for the fun stuff, the makeup. I didn't get that much makeup, guys. I'm completely honest, I didn't. I really kind of wanted to focus more on like the other stuff. But I did get a few things. I did. First thing is the Marc Jacobs, it's called the Accomplice, the Instant Blurring Powder. This thing intrigued me so much because I am not the kind of person that keeps a touch-up powder with her. I just don't. I'll blot, but I very rarely will touch up. However, the packaging is beautiful. I mean, it's like this gorgeous little, you know, silver and black compact. You press the button, and of course, it opens. You have a nice mirror. You have a little plastic thing here for the color. And I got, for reference, the shade 52 Siren, which I think it's for medium skin tone, so it's kind of like a peach-based. The one I was gonna get, when I really read it, it said it was for like fair. I was like, okay, I don't want it to be too much. So I mean, it kind of blends right into my skin. The genius thing is, this right here, if you pull it out, it is a brush. So the brush is built into the product and it doesn't sit on the powder. So you can just very lightly, you know, put this in your powder, and I guess I'll test it out and like touch up. And it's kind of this perfect little, you know, rounded brush that you can just touch up with. And it's just, to me, it's sanitary and it's genius. You can like wash the brush, and I love this, and it is pretty cool. So I like this. I will probably see if I can fit it in my purse. I think I will, but I really like this, and I highly recommend that. And they have, just make sure you read like the descriptions of the powder to make sure you get the right one. So I got that, and then I got this I did mention I was gonna get the Tom Ford Soleil, the Glow Bronzer in Terra. Now this is different than the one that I have, and this is in the little mini size because the big one is, I just can't see, I think it would go bad before I could go through it because I try different bronzers all the time. Anyway, this is more of like that jelly consistency. I don't know if you can see, it's the one that has like the little pattern on it. Now I have been using this since I got it, and I love it. I didn't think I was gonna like it because I wasn't sure with that consistency, that jelly consistency, but oh my God, guys, can you see that? I think you can see it from here. I'm obsessed. I've been using it with my Smashbox brush, and it just, I have it on, I can't stop. I love it. It gives such a beautiful sun-kissed look, but it's not too orange, it's not too red. I like it better than the original Terra that I have. I don't know what it is, but it's kind of, it's like powdery, but it's creamy. I'm obsessed. I love it. This is like my new favorite bronzer. I'm so glad that I got it. I was almost debating not getting it, but I just love it. Out of everything that I got, I'm loving this the most. So got that. And then I picked this up. This is the Beauty Blender Trio, the Pretty in Pink. Sold out online. My Sephora had one left. And I have a bunch of beauty blenders. I need to get rid of a bunch that are old, and after a while you kind of do need to replace them. So this is like a pretty good deal. It's 3 and they're cute. And I figured, well, you know, we're always using beauty blenders, whether it's for foundation to, you know, apply it, or to, you know, finish off, you know, after your foundation to kind of set it, concealer, you know, cream products. So it's always good to have them, and it's a good deal. I hope they restock this because even not on sale, it was still a good deal. So I got that, and then a few more things. This is the Farsali, the Rose Gold Skin Mist. I know this is like kind of been all over YouTube, and I got it. I kind of, you know, got sucked into the hype where everyone was like loving this. It's a skin mist that is infused with 24 karat gold, and it smells really good. And I used it, and it put out a lot of product. Let me just warn you, I didn't realize when I was like spraying, I was like, oh my God, my face is like wet now. But it smells really good, and we'll see how it does. I mean, I literally just got this because I got this in store. It was like the last one. And I mean, so far so good. It did its job. I like to set my face and get rid of all that powdery look, but I'll keep you updated. And then just a few more things. I got this from Natasha Denona. It's a Chroma Crystal Top Coat eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Nude. And I haven't even touched this. It looks like this, and is pretty much a top coat that you can put like over eyeshadows, or I don't know. It just looked really pretty in store. And it is like kind of like a creamy, shimmery shadow that has like this beautiful like sparkle to it. And I'm thinking I'm gonna love this on like the no makeup days, if I just want to throw a little something in on my lid, or, you know, if you're going out and you want to kind of make your eyeshadow look pop. I just like this, and it was just really a pretty color. You know, it's kind of like a very neutrally shade, but it still has like a hint of, you know, beige to it, or bronzy beige, but like a lighter bronze. I didn't like the bronze shade, but that was very pretty. Okay, then I got 2 more things from Charlotte Tilbury. First one is a lip gloss. I was just looking at them because now that my Sephora has it, and I got the shade, what is this, Seduction. And it was like the most neutral looking one, and it's just like this really pretty, where can I swatch you? Really pretty, like Your Lips But Better gloss. The packaging, it's like so tiny and cute. Like this to me is like perfect to throw in my bag because it's so small. But again, the color is just that pretty, you know, Your Lips But Better gloss that you can keep with you, and it goes with everything. You don't have to think about it to apply it. So I picked that up, and then I finally got one of her beach sticks, which is kind of like her cream blush, because now that it's, you know, much warmer and it's summertime, we tend to wear less makeup in the summer, but we still want to have like a put together look. And for me, I like cream products. I like to be able to put on a tinted moisturizer and a little bit of bronzer and highlight, or highlight and blush, whatever. So this is just the beach stick. I think it's in Las Salinas, which is just kind of like that corally pink. It's really pretty, and to me, I think it just screams summer. It's right here. I could have gotten a nude, I could have gotten, you know, another one, a berry, but I just kind of went with one that I think is gonna go really nice for spring and summer. So that is that. And again, I just take like a synthetic blush brush. I actually did use it, and I used this one that came in that It Cosmetics trio, and I just used this to apply it, and I really liked it, and it works with a brush like this. So that is that. That is my Sephora haul. Can you believe it? I know it feels like there was a lot of stuff, but a lot of it was actually just kind of repurchases and like more, I don't want to say self-care, but like more like products that you're gonna like actually use on the daily, you know, like hair stuff and things like that. Whereas the makeup, yes, it's fun, but I wanted to kind of, like I said, be practical because I have a lot of makeup. I think we all have a lot of makeup. So anyway, let me know down below what you picked up during the sale. I always want to know, what did you snag that you think is a great deal? And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon.